Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, I've got a slight change from something I reviewed. God, I can't even remember the last time I tried this stuff. It is Maruchan soy sauce flavor. Now, this used to be Oriental, but apparently people here in the United States of Asian descent find that term Oriental to be not their favorite. So I think they find it to be a racist term. It's really tough because it's like when I was in Southeast Asia, I saw it everywhere. If you buy mama noodles, it says Oriental style. But here in the US, they don't like it. So, I mean, it's possible outside of the US, they don't like it. But the only, I did some research, I looked it up, and the only thing I could mention was people not liking it here in the States. So, I mean, if you're offended by it, you know, I generally don't use the term myself. I don't say, hey, I'm going to go over to the Oriental grocery. I say I'm going to go over to the Asian grocery. And you don't even have to say that at all in Asia because all groceries in Asia are Asian groceries, which is rad. But, yeah, I think there was I guess it started in the late 60s, early 70s. And somebody saw it as a negative racial connotation on people of Asian descent here in the U.S. And so there's been a push, and another domestic brand changed it from Oriental flavor to soy sauce flavor a while back, and now Maruchan has followed suit. Yeah, and it even says on the sachet, soy sauce flavor. So, yeah, interesting. I mean, yeah, it sucks. I mean, why do people have to like? I mean, I'm not saying it sucks that there are such things as racist terms that are, to put down people of different ethnic groups. It's stupid. I don't get it. I don't know why. I really don't. Come on. Now, something that's just bizarre is this. It came from Donald Trump. It came in the mail. So he's trying to run for president. And it's got stamps on it. But what's weird is this is Postal Permit 30. And it's 10 cents a stamp. These stamps don't do anything. Nothing. In fact, most likely, this thing here, this postmark, I don't think that's even real. I think the meter here is real, but I don't think the postmark on top is real. So I don't know what's going on. Very odd. And then down here, we'll open it up. No postage necessary if mailed in the U.S. But then again, here's 3 1-cent stamps. What the is that all about? And then there's a letter. They always do this, and it's kind of silly. We'll do that a quick stir. Oh, this fork is hot. Victory survey enclosed. Okay, here, now the trick, what you're supposed to do, and this is really odd too. I've never seen an instant that asks you to do this before. Only Maruchan, and I think it's like a psychological ploy to make you think, hey, this stuff is really something else. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I really like Maruchan Ramen. I do. I mean, it doesn't get into my top 10s usually. Some of them have in my top 10 USA list, and in my top 10 bowls list, they had actually a Tom Yum that they make here in the States that's really good. And now they've got the Maruchan Gold, which is a remix of the Japanese ones that are premium. So that's cool. Yeah, you're supposed to stir it for a minute. I really don't understand it, but I'll do so. Seems like it engorged the noodles quicker. But anyway, so it says here, Dear Patriotic Conservative. I'm not. I'm not a conservative. I guess I'm patriotic in my own way, but I'm not a conservative. But whatever. Oh, victory survey enclosed. Please return within 48 hours. Dear Patriotic Conservative, I put 3 underscored live postage stamps on the enclosed rush return envelope because I had to get your immediate attention. I'll admit, it got my attention. ... And because I need you to respond to me right away. You see, for almost 2 years now, a grim reality has swept all over Washington. It started the moment Democrats seized control of the U.S. House and as their first act put Nancy Pelosi back in charge as Speaker. Shut up, Karen. Not to disparage anyone named Karen. It's a lovely name. Unfortunately, if your name is Karen these days, it really isn't doing so well. But yeah, it's like, what the heck is this whole stamp thing about? I know, we've got a bunch of money, let's waste it. What's funny too is they say, I mean, I get all their campaign stuff just because a lot of it is just so ridiculous. Like they had one that had a picture of Trump and Pence clapping, and the Republican color, Democrats are blue, Republicans are red. That's something that Tim Russert actually came up with on Meet the Press, and he was great. I really liked him on that show. Ever since then, it sucked. But sorry, dude. But yeah, it's them in front of a red background with little yellow stars. That's basically the Chinese flag, right? So, and the way they were organized in it, and it was that, and then a slash, and then underneath it blue with Biden and Kamala Harris. And then underneath it say, we've got to beat the do-nothing Democrats, blah, 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 yammer, yammer, yammer. But it's like, I just looked at that and I'm like, man, all I see is Trump and Pence and a Chinese national flag. That's like immediately the first thing I saw. I was like, huh, that's odd. Nobody ran it through the checker. Hey Bob, can you come over here and look at this before we send it to like 10 million people? No? Okay. Well, we'll talk to you later, Bob. Thanks. So this one, I've always noticed there's a definite ginger kind of hit to it. Yeah, I mean, I definitely get a ginger scent. I like the noodles. They're nice and thick. They have that thin, gooey layer on the outside. So it's kind of a two-tone. Almost a little bit gooey. Here is what the broth looks like. So, yesterday I reviewed, I'm just going to do a weird comparison because I never do this and I know you guys will be interested in it. So, yesterday I did a shoyu, which was, I did Sapporo Ichiban Original. And that was actually like 20 minutes ago I did that. So, this one has more of a salty, less bright, strong soy flavor than the Sapporo Ichiban. But this one has a nice scent to it and almost a slight more oiliness. The first one, the noodles are good. and more what I would expect. These are more engorged. So I don't know. Take that as you want. I like them both. They're both strong U.S. domestic variety. Okay. Now. Let's gussy this sucker up. Huh? So, the one lonesome egg of the dozen that I bought this morning that I was able to get to work, because all the rest of them broke. I'm going to save this marinade because it's like, why wouldn't I? And it's already nice and dark. All right. I could have gotten sliced in half a little better. Me. Ah. Yeah. Could have gone for a little bit less time on the boil. I really don't get it. What was up with that whole dozen eggs? Because the last ones, they came from the same place. They came from Safeway as well. I don't understand. Okay. That should appease everybody who wants to see what the heck is going on. You know who you are. Okay, here's the... Man. I wish I could... It really is just one of those days, I swear to God. The sun is out now. It's not going to be out for long. It's going to be gone as soon as I'm done doing with this. I guarantee that. I mean, it can go away for a couple minutes while I take the window shot. That's fun. Ouch. Noodle or onion time. Adding on the onion. Adding on the sesame seeds now. Adding on the sheet of meat. Oh yeah. And I think we are golden. Oh, don't tell me. Don't freaking. Excellent. It's still working. It still works. I don't know. This day is just really wearing on me, folks. Do it. All right, so where you're sitting, it's like what? September 13th? Wow. Where I'm sitting, it's August 20th. So I'm getting nice and ahead. Might have to do something. Probably should do another list. Voila. Anyways, yeah, Maruchan soy sauce flavor. Shoyu. Yeah. Well, hopefully tomorrow won't be one of these days, you know what I mean? Or one of those days. Or a day. Well, hopefully it's a day. Anyways, this has been Hans, the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye!
Muy está calor.